Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Elite. In this video, we will see what package and salary TCS provide for the role of associate system engineer and system engineer. So in this video, we will see what is the total package and what will be the enhanced salary for these two roles. And here we will discuss about basic salary, what are the allowance we got, and what will be the deducted amount for provident fund and professional tax. And here we will talk also about performance bonus and learning incentive in this video. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It motivating me to create this type of videos. So let's start. So now first we are going to talk about associate system engineer, which is called TCS Ninja profile, and this is the breakup for the package of 3.6 LPA for the system engineer. And here we will talk about the what are the basic salary and bucket of benefits and professional pay and city allowance. What all these we are going to talk in this video, and for the amount of bucket of benefits, it's described here, the listed amount. So now in this 3.6 LPA package, the basic salary of the system engineer is 14,784, and annual amount for this basic salary will be 1,77,408, and the bucket of benefits monthly will be 7,646. In this bucket of benefits, it's include three type of amount. Here the home rent allowance is about to 5,914, and the annual amount for this one HRA is 70,968. The LTA is 1,232, and the annual of this amount will be 14,784, and the food card amount will be credited as 500. So the total annual of the food card amount will be 6,000 rupees. So total gross bucket of benefits will be monthly 7,646, and for annually 91,752. So these amounts 7,646 is listed here in the monthly salary for the bucket of benefits, and the 91,752 will be listed here in the annual gross pay. So and in the second part we will see the performance pay. In this performance pay, monthly performance pay will be 1,700, and the quarterly variable allowance will be 600. The quarterly variable allowance you can get it by quarterly, and the amount for the monthly professional pay, and for this monthly performance pay the annual amount will be 20,400, and the annual amount for the quarterly variable allowance will be 7,200 rupees, and the city allowance will be 200 per month, that means 2,400 per year. So this is the city allowance, and the number 4 annual components are the amount are listed here. So in this annual components we have listed first option will be health insurance, which is not applicable for this one, but you have to pay for this one if you get the insurance for this one in the TCS. For the provident fund, it will deduct from your salary will be 1,774 per month, and the annual for this amount will be 21,789 rupees, and the gratuity amount will be deducted as 711, and the total yearly amount will be 8,533. So the total amount deducted from annual components will be about to 2,485, and annually it goes to 37,722, and here retention incentive will be not applicable for this one. So the total gross pay for monthly pay will be 27,415 rupees. This is your monthly salary, but in this salary you are not going to take in hand for this one. So the deduction amount will be 2,485 this one, and some professional tax will be deducted that one in this monthly salary. So the total amount for this one annually will be 3,36,877. and you are also eligible for explore or learning incentive up to 60,000 rupees according to your performance. So the enhanced salary for this associate system engineer will be about to 24,000 to 25,000 rupees. You will get in between 24 to 25,000 rupees. So the deducted amount for this annual components and the professional tax amount. After the deducting this one, you will get the amount in as in hand salary. So that's all for the associate system engineer for a Ninja profile 3.36 LPA. Now we will proceed for the digital profile for system engineer. So the package of the system engineer for digital profile is about to 7 LPA. So this is the breakup for the package for 7 LPA. So in this we will get basic salary as 15,000 rupees, and the annual amount for this one will be 1,80,000 rupees. And the bucket of benefit is monthly we will get 26,522 rupees, and in the bucket of benefits these amounts are listed. So the first one will be home rent allowance HRA, which will be you are getting about 7,500 rupees monthly, and LTA is 1,250 rupees, and in food card you will get for this amount 500 rupees, and professional allowance will be 17,272 rupees. And the total amount for this one monthly you will get from this bucket of benefit will be 26,522 rupees. And for this annually amount will be goes to 3,18,264 rupees for this 7 LPA package. So the bucket of benefits will be 26,522 rupees you are getting monthly. And in the professional pay you are going to get the monthly performance pay and quarterly variable allowance. So in the monthly performance pay you will get 4,200 rupees, and for quarterly variable allowance you will get 3,200 rupees, but for 3,200 rupees you will get it quarterly. And now in the third number we will see the annual components amount and what are the items are there. So in this one, first one will be health insurance which is not applicable for monthly, but you will pay for this yearly 7,900 rupees. And for the provident fund amount will be deducted as 1,800 rupees per month, and the annual amount will be 21,600 rupees. That amount will be deducted from your package. So the gratuity amount will be the monthly amount deducted 721, and for yearly it will be 8,658 rupees. And the total amount for annual component will be for monthly they will deduct about to 2,522, and for yearly 38,158 rupees. And for the retention incentive that is not applicable for monthly salary, and in yearly you will deducted about 70,000 from your package. And for the city allowance you will get 400 per month, and for year 4,800 rupees. And the total gross pay for monthly will be 51,844. This is your monthly salary, but from this salary you will deducting about to 2,522 rupees as a deduction amount for the provident fund and gratuity amount, and you are also deducted from this amount for the taxes for professional tax. So the amount you will get in hand will be in between 44,000 to 46,000. And for the total amount for the annual will be if you calculate this one, it will goes about to 7 lakh. And you are also eligible for the learning incentive up to 60,000 rupees. So that's all about the package for system engineer in TCS as a digital profile. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.